Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is my dinner. I made my own dinner, egg omelette with tuna fish and onion, garlic, and tomato. And of course, I have jalapeno. And one of my coworker requested me if I can eat soup. Hi, Kim. This is the soup that I made. It's called La Paz Bachoy, one of my favorite soup. So once Kim, and I'm gonna start eating my soup. By the way, I put some kimchi. I know you love kimchi. I'm gonna try my soup now. Wow, delicious. Whew, it's hot. Eat the kimchi. Bok choy. Mmm. Oh, delicious. I hope you can try. Just stay right there and watch me eating. I can stop eating noodles. Dinner. Jalapeno. Ipinagdiwang ng isang kilalang hotel sa Pasay City ang ika-25 anibersaryo nito ngayong 2026. Wow. Isang milestone na nagpapatunay sa... You have a dinner like this, you're gonna love it. Hospitality sa Pilipinas. Itinatapos ng organisasyon ang advokasya ng hotel ng tunay na Filipino hospitality. It's so delicious. Ibigay sa mainit na pagtanggap sa mga bisita, lalo na sa mga OFW at balikbayan. And you put some bok choy or bok choy. Ooh. Super delicious. In Tagalog, sarap. Napakasarap. I also have like some sriracha here, or sriracha mayo, and also sriracha chili sauce. I put it in my egg. Ooh, so good.
Currently, we are just listening to our guests. We would like to give them what they need. So we're not really
I hope you enjoy my video.
we are listening to their needs.
Ooh.
That's why we renovated our new room to accommodate their current needs. We also want to focus on quality, not quantity. So we're not focused right now on building new branches, but rather fixing and providing better service, continuously trying to be authentic.
By the way, this is normally we eat when we are in the Philippines. If you want to enjoy the food, just wash your hands and use your hands after. Excuse me.
Siyempre, pagiging sa customer service, how to handle guests, di ba? Paano natin sila mag-accessibility ng tama? Mabilis na pag-check-in.
Super delicious.
Naranasan yung mga trains. Maibigay namin
Super delicious.
dito sa kabayan.
I can't even remember what I'm saying.
Yes.
Ang ginamap sa mga balitang patok sa bansa ng Matay Pasok, meron yan dito. Ako po si Gianna Llanes, balik sa inyo, Ali at Alex.
Because the food is super delicious and I don't know what I'm saying.
Nakaraan po nga isidunga yung hinaing dahil sa sumisirit na presyo ng petrol at panglaban din sa korupsyon.
And by the way, I have made my own mango and orange juice and a lot of ice because it's super cold today. By the way, the weather is like 88, so it's super hot here in California.
Ang mga nabanggit na kalsada, pinuksan na rin ito para sa mga motorista. Ayan. Oo nga. Oo nga.
So ano ba yan? Tuloy pa rin Manila? May live ba tayo sa Tuesday? Ano ang latest? Wala.
Alam ko lang, kanina ang sinip ko parang record low ang pagsakat.
Hindi, tutuloy pa rin ang rally. Yung mga tinig kasada. Tuloy pa rin yun, no?
Tuloy-tuloy yan eh.
Ganun talaga. Sigaw niyo lang, hinainin niyo.
Ano na rin eh, mabuti rin yan na may outlet eh.
Pero kailangan peaceful, ha? Walang gulo.
You see my face? I'm really sweating. Like I said, the weather is super hot, and I'm eating hot food and hot soup. So, in Tagalog, sobrang pawis. I'm sweating. A lot of Asian people knows what I'm doing. If I use my hand, they're doing this also in their country. Whew.
Kaya dapat ikaw yung mga bag na yun, di ba? May mga bag na talagang anti-bullet.
Ayun, meron kayo mga shoulder bag.
Limang po
Hindi wala kami bag.
Limang po yung zipper, di ba? Anti-bullet.
Anti-theft, meron din kami bag.
And the last part of your last bite is what you're gonna do. You have to do tap tap, or they call pag pag, and then you gotta eat your last bite. Ooh, I'm finished. I hope you guys like my video. Bye bye. Thank you.